Welcome to this lesson on batteries and chemical electric power. Batteries are everywhere in our modern world, powering our phones, laptops, cars, and countless other devices. In this video, we'll explore how batteries work and how they convert chemical energy into the electrical energy we use every day. A battery is an electrochemical device that stores energy in chemical form and converts it into electrical energy through chemical reactions. Think of it as a portable power source that uses chemistry to create electricity. The key word here is electrochemical, which means it involves both electrical and chemical processes working together. Every battery has three essential components. First, the anode, which is the negative electrode where oxidation occurs. Second, the cathode, which is the positive electrode where reduction occurs. And third, the electrolyte, which is a medium that allows ions to flow between the two electrodes. These three components work together to create electrical energy. Batteries work through a three-step process. First, chemical reactions at the electrodes release electrons. Second, these electrons flow through an external circuit, creating an electric current that powers our devices. Third, ions move through the electrolyte to complete the circuit internally. This continuous flow of electrons and ions is what generates electricity. Two key chemical reactions happen inside a battery. Oxidation occurs at the anode, where electrons are released into the circuit. Reduction occurs at the cathode, where electrons are accepted from the circuit. These reactions happen simultaneously and are what drive the flow of electricity. Remember, oxidation loses electrons and reduction gains electrons. The fundamental purpose of a battery is energy conversion. Chemical energy stored in the battery's materials is converted into electrical energy that we can use. This is a direct energy transformation, where the potential energy in chemical bonds becomes the kinetic energy of moving electrons. This conversion is what makes batteries such useful portable power sources. Batteries fall into two main categories. Primary batteries are non-rechargeable batteries that are used once and then discarded. Common examples include standard alkaline batteries in remote controls. Secondary batteries are rechargeable batteries that can be used multiple times by reversing the chemical reactions inside them. These include the batteries in your phone and laptop. Let's look at some common battery types. Alkaline batteries are primary batteries you find in flashlights and remote controls. Lithium-ion batteries are secondary batteries used in smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles due to their high energy density. Lead-acid batteries are secondary batteries commonly used in car engines to provide starting power. Each type uses different chemical reactions suited to specific applications. Two important specifications describe battery performance. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between the electrodes, measured in volts. It determines how much electrical force the battery can provide. Capacity is the amount of electrical charge a battery can store, measured in ampere hours. It determines how long the battery can supply power before it needs recharging or replacement. Let's review the key concepts. Batteries convert chemical energy into electrical energy through electrochemical reactions. Electrons flow through external circuits to power devices, while ions move through the electrolyte to complete the internal circuit. Oxidation and reduction reactions work together to power the electron flow. Finally, batteries are essential portable power sources that power countless devices in our daily lives, from small electronics to electric vehicles.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.